Go, dog, go. Vroom. Dog. Big dog, little dog. Big dogs and little dogs. Black and white dogs. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye. Goodbye. One little dog going in. 3 big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. Two big dogs going up. One little dog going down. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. One dog is up a house. 3 dogs in the water. A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under the tree. 2 dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water. A dog under the water. This is a lot of dogs, Sammy. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are going around and around. Go around again. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not here under the house. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Dogs at work. Work, dogs, work. Dogs at play. Play, dogs, play. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like your hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye again. Dogs in cars again. Going away. Going away fast. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red now. And this book we will read again all the way when you get a little older.